Feeling tired, moody, or like your body's in turmoil? Hormonal imbalance might be the hidden culprit. From weight changes to brain fog, these sneaky hormones can disrupt every aspect of your life. If you have been blaming stress or age, it is time to see if your hormones are playing tricks on you. Identifying the issue is the first step to regaining control. Number 10. Sudden weight fluctuations. Your body's not so subtle SOS signal. Ever wonder why your jeans fit like a dream one week and then suddenly refuse to zip up the next? It might not be the late-night pizza binge. Sudden weight gain or loss can be a red flag of hormonal imbalance. When hormones like insulin, cortisol, and thyroid hormones go rogue, your metabolism is the first to take the hit. For instance, an overactive thyroid can lead to rapid weight loss, while too much cortisol, the stress hormone, can cause stubborn weight gain, especially around the midsection. These fluctuations are not just frustrating. They can also affect your self-esteem and overall health. So before you blame your fridge, consider if your hormones might be the culprits behind this weight roller coaster. It might be time to call in a professional to get things back on track. Number 9. Fatigue that makes you feel like a walking zombie. If you are feeling exhausted even after clocking in a full 8 hours of sleep, this is not normal. Hormonal imbalances, particularly with your thyroid and adrenal glands, can leave you feeling drained and lethargic. An underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism, slows down your body's metabolism, making you feel like you are wading through molasses all day. Meanwhile, imbalances in cortisol can lead to adrenal fatigue, leaving you feeling like a zombie by midday. This is not just about being tired. It is about a chronic state of exhaustion that affects your daily life. You are not lazy. Your body is sending you an SOS. Think of it as your hormones waving a white flag, desperately seeking balance. Do not ignore this signal. It is your body's way of asking for help. Number 8. Mood swings. More than just that time of the month. One minute you are on cloud 9, and the next you are in tears over a cute cat video. While it is easy to chalk this up to PMS, mood swings can actually be a sign of hormonal imbalance. Estrogen and progesterone play a huge role in mood regulation. Too little estrogen can make you feel anxious and depressed, while too much can leave you feeling irritable and on edge. Then there is cortisol. When stress levels rise, it can exacerbate these mood swings. This emotional turbulence can strain relationships and make everyday interactions a challenge. If your emotions feel like they are on a never-ending roller coaster, it might be time to check under the hormonal hood. Ignoring these mood swings can lead to more serious mental health issues over time. Number 7. Sleep problems. Counting sheep all night. If you are tossing and turning every night, it might not just be the noisy neighbors or that third cup of coffee. Hormones like progesterone and melatonin are crucial for regulating sleep. Low levels of progesterone can make it hard to fall asleep, while an imbalance in cortisol can keep you wide awake at 3 a.m., staring at the ceiling. On the other hand, thyroid imbalances can also lead to insomnia or excessive sleepiness. This lack of quality sleep can affect your productivity, mood, and overall health. A good night's sleep is like hitting the reset button for your body. But if your hormones are out of whack, you might be pressing that reset button in vain. Sleep is essential for your body's healing and repair processes, so it is vital to address any underlying hormonal issues. Number 6. Hair loss or excessive hair growth. Your hair tells the tale. Finding more hair in your brush than usual? Or perhaps you have noticed hair sprouting in places it has no business being, like your chin or upper lip? These can be signs of a hormonal imbalance, when estrogen levels drop, or when there is an excess of male hormones like androgens. Hair loss can occur on the scalp. On the flip side, too many androgens can cause excessive hair growth in unwanted areas. Hair changes can also impact your confidence and how you perceive yourself. Before you panic and book an appointment with a hair specialist, it might be worth getting your hormone levels checked. Your hair might just be trying to tell you something important. Listening to these signals early on can prevent more severe issues later. Number 5. Digestive issues. Your guts cry for help. Bloating, gas, and stomach cramps can be more than just the result of a questionable meal. Hormones like estrogen and cortisol play a significant role in gut health. An imbalance can slow down or speed up your digestion, leading to a host of issues like bloating, constipation, or diarrhea. High levels of cortisol can also wreak havoc on your gut, increasing inflammation and leading to discomfort. Chronic digestive issues can affect your quality of life and even your nutrient absorption. If you find yourself constantly battling digestive woes, it might be time to look beyond your diet and consider if your hormones are the real culprits behind the chaos in your belly. Your gut is often called your second brain, so pay attention when it starts acting up. Number 4. Low libido. The bedroom is closed for business. If your sex drive has taken a nosedive, it might not just be stress or exhaustion to blame. Hormones like estrogen, testosterone, and progesterone have a big say in your libido. Low levels of estrogen can lead to vaginal dryness and discomfort during intimacy, while a decrease in testosterone can zap your desire altogether. This is not about feeling unattractive or having relationship issues. It is about your body not being in the mood because the hormones are not in sync. A diminished sex drive can affect your relationship and your overall sense of well-being. When your hormones are out of balance, your libido often follows suit, putting a damper on your love life. Addressing hormonal imbalances can help restore not just your desire, but also your intimacy and connection with your partner. Number 3. Irregular periods. Not just a calendar mishap. Your menstrual cycle is like a monthly report card for your hormonal health. When your periods are irregular, too heavy, too light, or even missing altogether, it is often a sign that something is amiss with your hormones. Conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, characterized by an excess of androgens, can cause irregular periods. Thyroid imbalances can also disrupt your menstrual cycle. Ignoring irregular periods can lead to complications such as infertility or increased risk of other health conditions. While it is easy to dismiss an irregular period as just another quirk of your body, it is often a sign that your hormones are waving a red flag, begging for attention. A regular cycle is key to your overall reproductive health, so do not ignore its warnings. Number 2. Acne. Not just a teenager's nightmare. If you thought you left acne behind in high school, think again. Hormonal imbalances can cause adult acne, particularly around the jawline and chin. Fluctuations in hormones like estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone can lead to increased oil production in the skin, clogging pores, and leading to breakouts. Persistent acne can affect your confidence and self-esteem, making social interactions stressful. It is not just about poor skincare habits. Sometimes, your hormones are staging a rebellion. If you are dealing with persistent cystic acne that seems immune to all your skincare efforts, it might be time to consider that the issue is skin deep, literally. Proper hormonal balance can help restore your skin's natural glow and health. Number 1. Memory problems and brain fog. When your brain feels like a hazy maze. Ever walk into a room and forget why you are there? Or maybe you find it hard to concentrate, feeling like your brain is in a fog. Hormonal imbalances, especially low estrogen and thyroid hormone levels, can affect cognitive function and memory. Estrogen has a neuroprotective effect, helping to maintain healthy brain function. When levels drop, you might find yourself more forgetful and struggling with mental clarity. This brain fog can interfere with your daily tasks and lower your productivity. It is not just aging or being busy. Your brain is not firing on all cylinders because your hormones are out of whack. It is like trying to tune into a radio station, but all you get is static. Addressing these imbalances can help you regain your mental sharpness and focus. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this hormone roller coaster, hit that like button. And do not forget to subscribe, because just like hormones, you never know what surprises are coming next.